Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how do I clean my mattress with baking soda. This is my mattress and 2 pillows. We're gonna use a big bag of baking soda. This one I bought from the Chinese supermarket. I think a big bag costs me about £2 or £3. You can also use it for cooking, but I normally use it for cleaning. If you use it quite often, you better buy a big bag like me. Put them into a little safe. Then we're gonna do this. Try to cover it evenly. But never mind, because later we're gonna brush it in. I had my mattress for over 10 years now. I normally do this every year. That is Chinese New Year time. Once a year, I think will be fine. Of course, if you have plenty of money, you can change your mattress every few years. But for me, I don't change it every 8 years or 3 years as it says. I clean mine until it's getting really bad, then I'll probably change it. Now put something on my pillows. The same ways apply. Baking soda evenly. They don't smell anything, but I think it works. Kills dust mites, kills little insects probably. I also bought some smoke bombs before. So today I'm just gonna use baking soda. Both sides. Okay, that's done. Pretty good. Now I'm gonna use a brand new brush to brush it in. Use a brand new one. And those ones on the windowsill only for washing ups. Roughly will do. Oh, what's this? From my brushes probably. Okay, roughly brush them in. And please pay special attention to the little buttons and the edges. Don't worry about some of them will drop into the cracks or on the carpet because we will hoover them up later. Okay, clean bedding. Okay, almost done. Now my pillow. Summer side first, the silky bit. Then this side, winter side. We're done. You have to leave it for minimum an hour. I left it about 2 hours. Then we can hoover them all up now. Baking soda is one of the magical ingredients that I think every household should have. You can also use it to clean your cookery, clean many things really. It's just magic. Another thing good about baking soda is it's very cheap. Because baking soda have no smell, so don't worry it will leave any odor on your mattress. It doesn't. It wouldn't smell of anything. Just cleanliness. Okay, we have finished. You can see it has collected almost all the baking soda in vacuum cleaner. So we quickly hoover the carpet up. Brilliant. Feel clean and healthy already. If you buy the smoke bombs, the whole set costs you about 30 or 40 pounds. This way, it's clean but doesn't hurt or damage any animals in your home. Now, I washed my pillow protector and my mattress protector. Waiting for them to completely dry, then I will put them up. Okay. Is my mattress protector. Feel very clean now. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.